listen. In last period, we learned about the lights, its properties also. Okay, and also we studied about the shadow and what are the different conditions for it. Okay, for shadow we require what? Source of light.
Yes.
Then object, any object, opaque objects, not translucent and transparent object. We want opaque object. And also screen means wall or screen. So today we see about the formation of day and night. This one. You know that day and night are based on the rotation and revolution of earth. Okay, is the related with the revolution and rotation of earth. See, we know that there are two basic movement of earth, which revolution
And rotation.
and rotation. That two basic movement of the earth. Okay, so rotation is the earth movement
Ma'am,
whose okay guys, see, rotation is the movement of earth around its own axis. You know earth rotate around us, पता है?
Yes.
Okay. It rotates around their own axis also and around the sun also. Okay. So rotation term, this rotation term is related to the rotation of earth around its own axis. When earth rotates around their own axis, then this term is called rotation. This movement is called rotation. Difference बस सुन लो दोनों के. Why you are standing? Sit down. Rotation means earth rotates around their own axis. Okay? Not toward around the sun. Rotate around own axis. Is called rotation. And revolution means
The earth revolves.
the earth revolves around the sun. In the revolution moment, earth revolves around the sun. Earth revolves around sun. Okay, it's called revolution. So do you understand the difference between in it?
Yes.
Okay. So the due to this revolution and rotation, the day and night is causes. Okay, the day and night is formed. See, you know how many time is required to rotate the earth toward itself? 24 hours means one day. Okay, so it takes 24 hours or day for one complete rotation. So revolution is the movement of earth around the sun in orbit, and it takes about 365 days. Means how many years?
1 year.
1 year. Okay, so it takes about the 365 days to complete the one revolution. Okay, so turn page. See, day and night on earth is caused by the earth rotation. Day and night is occurred due to the earth rotation, not to the revolution. Okay, ये बात पक्की ध्यान में रखो कि जो डे एंड नाइट के चेंजेस होते हैं किससे होते हैं? ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ. Okay,
Yes.
not the revolution, due to the rotation of earth, that day and night is changes. Okay, So the earth is spherical in shape, and during the rotation, one side of earth faces the sun and receive light and heat, and thus this part experience day. See, earth when revolve around the sun, क्या होगा देखो. Okay, I take it as sun. Okay, and earth. When earth revolve around the sun, okay, like that, and also it's stable also. Huh? So what happened? The part that face toward the sun, the part of the earth, half part that face toward the sun, in that region which changes occur day or night, क्या होगा यहाँ पे डे. जो पार्ट अर्थ का सन की तरफ है मीन्स द regions that face toward the sun, in that region the day is there. Okay, here day, and the part that are apart from that sun is the night. Okay, so when during rotation one side of the earth face toward the sun and causes the day, and other half remain in the dark and do not receive a sunlight. जो half part है उसको sunlight provide होगी क्या? ये जो half part है
No.
गीजर का. Okay, it not provide the sunlight and heat, so due to this in that region is a night. Okay, you understood?
Yes.
Okay. So due to continuous rotation, each part on earth experience day and night for about the 12 hour each. See, ऐसा नहीं कि इस रीजन में डे है तो पूरी 24 आवर्स इस रीजन में डे होगा. नो, हाफ 12 आवर्स डे एंड 12 आवर्स नाइट. बिकॉज व्हाई?
Earth is move around its axis.
अर्थ इज मूव अराउंड देयर ओन एक्सिस आल्सो. ये जो सन के अराउंड मूव हो रही तो खुद की अराउंड भी मूव हो रही. ओके, इट रोटेट अराउंड इट्स ओन एक्सिस. दैट्स व्हाई half day means 12 hours day, 12 hours night. Okay. Then next topic, eclipse. You know eclipse?
Yes, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse.
Huh? Solar and lunar
Lunar
eclipse. So eclipse occurs due to the shadow cast by moon and earth. These are the cast due to the shadow of moon and earth. So how that moon and earth is responsible for the making of eclipse? See, you know moon and earth is an opaque object. Is it right? Moon and earth is an opaque object. It's also called non-luminous.
Yes.
Why? Because moon and earth have their no own light.
Own light. Yes.
Okay? Due to the sun rays, due to the sunlight, they reflects. Okay? They shine. So moon and earth is the opaque objects. So thus eclipse is a natural phenomenon that occurs when one celestial body comes between the two other celestial bodies. Celestial bodies means that planets, moons and earth. See. Sun. Okay. Earth. And moon. When earth is come between the sun and moon.
Solar.
Okay. When that sunlight can't reach to the moon.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why what? It blocked the lights. Then what happened? See, like that is a diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In your book is the diagram, so see. Like that. Okay.
और मैम shadows में moon पे पड़ रही है.
Now, okay. So what happened in that case? See, lunar eclipse. It is the lunar eclipse. When Earth come in between the sun and moon, what happened? Earth blocked the light of sun and it can't reach to the moon. Okay, means it make the shadow on that moon. Okay, means when Earth come between the sun and moon and it cast its shadow on the moon. It cast its shadow on moon. So then the which eclipse is lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Okay, then lunar eclipse is formed. So this diagram now you have to draw at home on page number 102. This is the diagram. Lunar eclipse, okay, and solar eclipse also. Okay, I explain here. So you have to draw it home.
मैम
Okay?
कलर में करना है ना.
Not color. Only use the pencil. Okay, and properly you have to draw it. So lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon night. Okay, only on full moon night. Full moon night.
पूरा
हाँ.
full moon.
Yeah, full moon night. उसको क्या कहते हैं?
Lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse. Okay. It's the lunar eclipse. And opposite to the lunar eclipse, what happened? Attention here. Solar eclipse. See. Opposite. The place of sun is fixed. Here, when moon come in between the sun and earth. Okay? Then solar eclipse formed. That means what happened? Here moon is come between the two bodies sun and earth, and that moon blocked the light and cast the shadow of moon on earth. Okay, so that's why here solar eclipse occurs, and solar eclipse occurs only on a new moon day. New moon day. Okay, so do you understood that point? Solar and eclipse.
Yes.
Not say only yes. If you really understood, then say only
Yes.
okay. So tell me, in lunar eclipse what happened?
And Earth is middle.
Only one. It's not market. Raise your hand first. Huh? Harsh?
In the lunar eclipse, the Earth between the sun and moon.
Huh. The earth come in between the sun and moon and it block the light of the sun and cast the shadow on moon.
सोलर इक्लिप्स में अगर मून बीच में आ जाती है सन के तो मून तो अर्थ से छोटी होती है, फिर थोड़ी सी लाइट सब पे पड़नी चाहिए ना.
No, it's their size not dependent. Okay, it's totally block the light.
पर मैम जब सोलर इक्लिप्स होता है तब अर्थ से तो लाइट पड़ती होंगी ना.
So that's why that some parts are the hidden. is ना see like that जैसे कि उसकी भी types देते eclipse के. Okay, some parts so if block the light then only that part is a dark.
Yes.
Okay, other not. There is a different types also. Okay. And in solar eclipse, the moon is coming between sun and earth. Okay, moon is coming between sun and earth. Only position of moon and earth is changed. Sun is always at one place. Okay. See. So do you understood that lesson?
Yes.
Okay. Write that question answer of last lesson. I sent the PDF on the Google Classroom of that which is work and energy. Okay. So you have to complete in it. Okay. Now listen. Take the correct answers. We start it. Of that. Yeah, in textbook take it yourself. Test that. Huh? Open the page number 104. Why did you see it? 104. See the correct answer. It's the last wording to all. See, tell me the first answer. Which of the following is not a necessary condition for the formation of shadow? Screen. Source of light, time, opaque body, screen. Before 5 minutes I tell that there is a conditions for the shadow.
Source of light.
Is not necessary. Source of light is required. Opaque body is required. Screen also required.
Time.
Time is not required, na. If screen is not there, then okay, on here that shadow is formed. Now the shadow is formed. Time. Second, when is the shadow shortest? At noon. In morning the shadow is, see that, turn page number 100. In morning the shadow is longer, okay, and at midday the shadow is shortest. Jab moon at noonday mean at 12 o'clock, our shadow is shortest, okay, and in the afternoon the length of shadow is longer, okay, means at evening. So there is a correct answer, no. Option number B. Third, which movement of earth causes day and night? Rotation. अभी हमने स्टडी किया. Rotation. Fourth, lunar eclipse occur when Earth comes between sun and moon. Means option number C. Comes between sun and moon. Okay. So write that, take the correct answers. But just a minute. Sit down. Everybody take it?
Yes.
Fill in the blanks.
The earth rotates from east to west. East to west.
See, first fill in the blank. Earth rotates from
East to west.
east to west. East, west. Second, dash objects allow light to pass through. Transparent. object allow light to pass through them. Okay. Third, on full moon day, yes, lunar eclipse. Fourth, during evening shadows are longer.
And fifth is increase.
The size of shadow. That is, if the opaque object is close to the source of light. Okay? So it is the answer of the filling the blanks. Note down your book.